In this video we will introduce the intermediate points, which is one of options for spline object attribute. Here you can define how the spline is further subdivided with intermediate points. This affects the number of subdivisions created when using the spline with generator objects. Now this is a spline like a dolphin. We need to use 3D model to demonstrate. None is an interpolation method that locates points only at the vertices of a spline, using no additional intermediate points. The natural interpolation type locates points at spline vertices. Number corresponds to the number of intermediate points between vertices. The uniform interpolation subdivides the spline, so that the distance between any two consecutive points, as measured along the spline curvature, is constant. The adaptive method is the default interpolation method. This interpolation type sets intermediate points whenever the angle deviation of the curve is larger than the value given in angle. Subdivided is similar to adaptive. Additional intermediate points will be added until the intermediate segments are shorter than the defined maximum length. Lower values will result in higher quality, along with the disadvantages of working with a high number of points, slower refresh times in the editor view. Thank you for attention. If you find this tutorial useful, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, then see you in another video.